Yes. We'll see what kind of trouble we get at the U.S. border. But Rick and I both have our American hats, so they shouldn't give us any trouble.
That doesn't make any difference.
I'm ready.
What?
Casino. All right.
Wow. Look. There's the beautiful falls. I thought that was the water from the falls, but it was from the sprinkler system that they had. All right.
There's the boat.
I'm not going down there. Are you kidding me? You go to those falls?
I'll bet you $1 you can swim across it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shouldn't be no problem to swim across.
You know, when you got to
No.
you were cat, you had on. So you want to get still want to go back
Look, you can't get out. No U-turn. Too late. All right, $10.
Okay.
Or yeah, 10 American dollars.
Beautiful.
American bills.
They open the thing.
There you go, guys. We're good to go. We'll give that to
Yeah, give it to
Tik.
Lily.
So the scrapbook?
Yeah, and I don't know if I have to leave that on the windshield or not. You might want to read it.
Oh,
I don't think
yeah,
so.
you probably.
We are here, long-awaited falls. Everybody's here.
I forgot the map.
Oh, we have it right here. We have it right here. Estamos aquí.
How are we getting across? Oh,
Ya estamos aquí.
oh, we're already there.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So let's walk over here and catch the train. There's the bathrooms. There's the little train we can take.
Okay.
Let's check it out. Top of the Falls restaurant. There's Canada. Yo, hello there, Mr. Canada. Check it out. amazing, guys. Amazing. All right, now we are waiting on the trolley. Right?
Yep, we're ready then.
I'll go in last.
Yeah.
Find the seat or a lap.
Go all the way to the back.
It's kind of neat. You could switch it to selfie like right away too.
Wow, cool. Neat.
Have attempted to go over this falls. 9 have survived. But our first daredevil was a woman, Annie Edson Taylor. She built her own barrel out of oak wood. And on her 63rd birthday in 1905, she took her black cat with her. And they both went over the falls and survived that plunge. However, when they opened that barrel, that black cat was white. Heading to Three Sister Islands, connected by... Every 5 to 7 minutes apart until the last one leaves here at 8:40. Go have some fun.